Welcome to the middle of nowhere. It comes like this from our quarry, 15 kilometers from here. We have a lot of stone and a lot of quarry like this. So 60 million years ago, this kind of animal was underwater. So his name is Goniatite or Ammonite. What's cracking, everybody? So I hope you've been enjoying the morning's activities through Erfoud. We went to the mausoleum and then also that old souk. And then just took a look at some fossils. Apparently this whole desert used to be underwater, and those fossils are very unique to Morocco. So I've never seen anything like it. And next up, we're going to check out some Berber style pizza. The town of Erfoud is the popular launching off point for expeditions out into the Sahara Desert. And this restaurant, featuring the famous Medfouna, is a popular place to try the Berber pizza. All right, after lunch, we're just getting ready, switching cars here to something with four-wheel drive because we are on our way to the Sahara Desert. Super excited for this. Let's go. So guys, we just arrived here in our four-wheel drive vehicles, and now we are transferring to a much more traditional means of transportation to finish our trek into the Sahara. All right, so begins our camel adventure. Alright, so vlogging and camel riding has proved to be more difficult than I anticipated, but it's all good. Pretty epic experience. And these views are unmatched. So we're just coming up on our tents, just around the bend here. And then we'll go meet back up with Luna, since she was not feeling the camel experience. Alright guys, I'm going to give you a tour of our tent here out in the middle of the Sahara Desert. Let's check it out. So, right at the entrance here, we have our bed. And then we have Luna's little cot here. And we have a nice little sitting area. And over here, we have a nice mini hanging closet. And then this is something you might not expect in the middle of the desert, a full restroom. Let's check it out. So you have a full sink there.
And then you have a chemical toilet right there, and even a full shower. So yes, my friends, this is definitely glamping out here in the Sahara Desert. What's cracking, everybody? Welcome to the middle of nowhere. So I climbed up to the top of this sand dune here, and it's just virgin tracks, no footprints, no tire marks. Just really feels like you're in the middle of nowhere. But of course, our tent is not far. You can see it down there. So I think we're about to go on another camel ride, check some sunset, and then get into some astrophotography tonight. So it's all good out here in the Sahara. Just really makes you appreciate the simple moments out here. All right, we are back in the saddle on our camels, going for a little sunset camel ride. Get some beautiful views, watch the sunset, and chill along. So we're just here at the top of a dune having a family photo shoot with the camels and the sunset. So it's good vibes up here. Check this out. Good morning, everyone. So we are back up here at the summit on top of the sand dunes, this time for sunrise. So just waiting for the sun to come up over the east there. Hopefully it should be a beautiful sunrise. And then have some breakfast and get back to reality. So that's an example of morning rush hour traffic here in Morocco. So we're here now in a traditional nomadic Berber home, and we're really lucky to have a host here who's showing us around about the traditional Berber way of living. So it's quite unique. You just saw there the chicken coop, I guess you could call it. And then there they have their tent where they both sleep and work on weaving, which is a traditional Berber product. And now we're gonna go see the inside of their adobe home, which you can see here. So we stopped here somewhere on the side of the road, going back up through the Atlas Mountains. And they have this really cool river, and this huge canyon. So again, the various landscapes here in Morocco never cease to amaze me. Okay, another long travel day done. So after about 8 hours, we arrived somewhere very special. We are now in Dar Alam. So whereas this video, you got to see a wonderful perspective of the Sahara Desert, coming up in this next video, I'm going to show you a real desert oasis. So we're staying here in a really unique property. I can't wait to show it to you. And give you a different perspective of the desert here. So thank you guys for watching. If you're digging the vibes, go ahead and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next one. See you guys soon. Peace out.